Nifty is likely to trade choppy and volatile ahead of big US August jobs report on Friday. The sentiments could remain depressed on reports of fresh sets of allegations of stock manipulation against Adani Group by OCCRP and 9% deficit in the August monsoon. All eyes will be on the biggest catalyst, Friday's August US non-farm payrolls. Well, bears will be in total control if the NFP arrives above the consensus 170k figure. That said, a figure below 170k could lead to a massive rally for the Nifty since it would seem to express the market's wish for a soft landing narrative. Overnight, Wall Street wavered after fresh economic data suggested that the battle to curb inflation may be challenging. The US 10-year yield traded at 4.10% and the 2-year at 4.89% after fresh US data showed inflation still running hot and labor markets refusing to break. Core annual PC inflation, a measure closely watched by the Fed, was 4.2% in July, compared to June's 4.1%. It represents a slowdown from the near 5% readings of previous months, but still well above the Fed's 2% target. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FII sold shares worth Rs 2,973 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Sentiment is likely to be precarious. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a massive consolidation play. F&O options data suggests Nifty's range of 19,100-19,700 zone. India VIX is at 12.06 levels. Nifty PCR is at 1.44. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.96. Nifty's outlook, a volatile and choppy session on cards. Nifty CMP 19,254. Bank Nifty CMP 43,989. Technically, Nifty's upside likely to be capped at 19,437 to 19,517 zone. Caution will continue to be the buzzword as long as Nifty is trading below 19,517 mark. The line in the sand to watch is at Nifty's make or break support at 19,101 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 43,365 mark. In the August month, Nifty was down 2.53% while for the CY 2023, Nifty is still up 6.34%. Strictly speaking, for markets to bounce, FII's buying participation will be a key factor. Hence, unless FIIs don't post satisfying buying figures, markets likely to remain subdued. In yesterday's trade, the big investors, the FIIs camp sold to the tune of 2,973 crores rupees. In the month of August, FIIs sold worth Rs 2,061 crores. India's gross domestic product growth rate hit a 4-quarter high in April to June, rising to 7.8%. At 7.8%, the latest quarterly growth number is slightly above expectations. Meanwhile, the Reserve Bank of India had forecast a growth rate of 8%.